Which part of body controls all activities? Brain. Which of the following is an aunt? What is the main function of white blood cells? Fight diseases. Which gas do animals exhale? Carbon dioxide. What is the boiling point of water on Celsius scale? Hundred Celsius. Which one is a renewable source of energy? Solar. The process of plants making food is photosynthesis. Human heart has how many chambers? 4. Which organ helps in breathing? Lungs. Which blood cells help in clothing? Platelets. Which vitamin is good for eyesight? Vitamin A. The sun is a star. Which part of the body filters blood? Kidney. Which of the following is a conductor of electricity? Iron. The liquid part of blood is called plasma. How many planets are in the solar system? 8. The human skeletal is made up of bones. Which of the following is a gas? Steam. What causes rain? The Earth's surface is mostly covered by soil. Which instrument is used to look at stars? Telescope. Human blood is red due to the presence of hemoglobin. Which part of the plant makes food? Leaf. Which gas is used in refrigerators? Which one is a salt? Ice. Which vitamin helps in blood clotting? Vitamin K. Which of the following is a fungus? Mushroom. Which body organ produces insulin? Pancreas. Which of these is not a sense organ? Brain. What is the function of red blood cells? Carry oxygen. Which part of plant contains seeds? Fruit. What is the natural satellite of the Earth? Moon. Which disease caused by a virus? What type of energy is produced by sun? Solar energy. Which of the following is a vertebrate? Fish. Which organ helps in hearing? Ear. Which nutrient builds muscles? Proteins. Which part of cell contains genetic material? अब पूरी वीडियो में मैंने एक भी आपको नहीं कहा कि इसका जो जवाब है आप मुझे कमेंट में करना है। ये लास्ट वाला आपको कमेंट करना है बिल्कुल। अगर मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।